In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unbanned on TikTok. Okay, so there could be various reasons as to why you get banned on TikTok, but one of the most common ones is that you're doing too many actions, you're liking too many things, you're following too many people. TikTok doesn't really like that, and it's kind of like the Instagram action block. If you're doing too many things at once, they kind of limit you and you can get banned for doing so. So to get unbanned, what you can try and do is tap on the me icon at the bottom right of the screen. That will take you to your profile, and then you want to tap on the three vertical dots at the top right to go to your settings page, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the option that says report a problem. Tap on that, and then you want to tap on account and profile, and then you want to tap on manage account. And for this specific reason, we want to tap on hacked accounts because they kind of take these requests more serious, and none of the other ones are kind of related to getting unbanned on TikTok. So tap on hacked accounts, and you can read this if you want to, but this doesn't really help us, so we tap on no at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you want to tap on still have a problem, and on the screen you can go ahead and type something along the lines of, I believe my account was compromised and there's too many actions going on my account and I have been banned. Would you kindly unban me as this is not my fault? And this can happen if you share your TikTok with third-party websites and things like that, kind of things that are out of your control. Someone could share it on your behalf, you just don't know. There's many reasons why you could get banned, but just go ahead and type something along those lines. And then once you've done that, you want to tap on the report button. That will be ungrayed out and you'll be able to send that. I'm not going to send it because I'm not banned, but just go ahead and do that and they should be able to get back to you. And if you were able to get your account unbanned using this method, go ahead and comment down below and let us know. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.